used to talk till the break of dawn. Now every word feels lost and gone. We stand together, but miles apart. Two quiet strangers sharing one heart. I try to reach you, but you fade like rain, slipping through my fingers again. We lost our way, somewhere between the truth and lies, between the tears we never cried and all the dreams we let decay. We lost our way. I wish I knew just what to say, but love slipped out without a sound, and we can't find the road back now. Your laughter used to feel like home. Now echoes fall on empty phones. We promised forever, we're shaking hands, but forever can break like glass in the sand. I keep replaying every yesterday, wondering when we drifted away. We lost our way, somewhere between the night and dawn. We held on tight, but still moved on. What we had just couldn't stay. We lost our way, standing in the same old place, but time kept pulling us apart, till we forgot each other's hearts. Maybe love's a map we never learned to read. Too many fears, not enough belief. If one day our roads should cross again, I hope we meet as kind of friends. We lost our way, and maybe that's okay. Some stories end so